Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete TikTok account if you can't log in. So let's get into it. First of all, launch the TikTok app. In the bottom right, select Profile. Click Sign Up. To gain access to your account, you need to select one of these options. For example, we will select Use Phone or Email. Enter the email address linked to your TikTok account. Click Next. Select Forgot Password. Select Email. Then click Reset. They will send a code to reset your password. So the TikTok verification code is 864542. Then reset your password. After you reset your password, click Log In. Once you gain access to your account, tap Profile in the bottom right. Tap the three-line icon in the top right. Tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Account. And then go to Deactivate or Delete Account. Select Delete Account Permanently. You can skip this part. Then TikTok will ask you to download your TikTok data, like your video posts. Then just click Continue. Then click again the Continue button to permanently delete your account. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.